Yes, it certainly can. If there's one thing that I feel strongly about, it's that you shouldn't have to make sacrifices in the appearance of your product just because it's being localized into another language. That said, we're always going to work with our clients to determine what kind of design best fits their needs. For example, we'll look at the type of client to determine if there's specific style and branding requirements. We'll also look at target audience and the cultural considerations that need to be made during localization. We'll also look at things like consistency between languages and past projects and any regulatory standards, etc. Ultimately, what we're trying to do is mirror the intent of your original design. Sometimes in a foreign language, this might mean that the formatting actually won't be an exact match. If that's the case though, we'll tell you why and then let you make the decision. One unique thing about Dynamics Design Group is that on average our team members have over 10 years of professional experience in multilingual graphic design. That means consistency, reliability, and a level of expertise that is rare. We're also truly a service-oriented company from top to bottom. It doesn't matter if you're a freelance designer bidding on a project or a multinational corporation localizing an entire intranet. My team is going to treat your project with the same level of detail and consideration that you put into your English original. Another benefit is that Dynamics design process is ISO certified. Ultimately, what this means is that we're committed to maintaining a level of service and quality through an accredited international industry standard. For those already familiar with the ISO process, you'll know that what this means is that design of each of your localized projects is going to have the same quality and consistency as your English original. I've been with Dynamic for almost 20 years now, and I can tell you what separates us from our competitors is that we've seen the translation design process evolve over the past 2 decades, and we know where it's going. So while we continue to embrace old standards and technologies, we're also developing new ones to take us into the future. Translations, especially ones that have undergone the design process, are an asset, and therefore we're always looking at ways to maximize the life and usability of that asset so that our customers can realize the added value. That means using translation memory when appropriate, avoiding the use of proprietary fonts and encodings when possible, and helping clients understand how our processes work. At Dynamic, it's this kind of partnership that we have with our clients that is really at the heart of what I think defines the Dynamic difference.